Hey everybody, welcome back. If you are new, I am ℊ𝕬𝕓𝕤 and I am the eclectic herbalist. In today's video, I am doing a kitten haul because we are getting a cat. I did not get all my stuff together before turning the camera on, which kind of seems silly of me. Anyways, let me go grab all the stuff. Okay. Oh! Cerberus! Alright, so first things first, we will start with, we're in a camper, so we obviously didn't get a lot. We are getting a Siberian frost kitten. My husband is allergic to cats, so we are getting him from a breeder before anyone says we need to adopt. So, we are getting a kitten. His name is going to be Prometheus. First we will start with his food. I did decide to stock up on his food. I did research. We do want to feed him a raw diet, which Cerberus was on when he was a puppy, but then when we had to live with my parents, my dad does not like that. So he had to be put on kibble, and while being in the camper, we don't have enough freezer room to put him back on the raw diet. But I found a small, deep chest freezer. They're going to be on a raw food diet, but for right now, he has this Instincts original kitten food. There's some controversy because it used to say Made in America with the American flag, and this used to say like 25% real chicken. It doesn't anymore, but it's still on like the list of good things to get food-wise, because I do want them to be on a good diet. Oh, really bad that my dog is not on his raw food diet, and he is on, what is that? Simply Nourish, which is not that good. So, but also to get like a really good dog food, like to put him on Instinct kibble, or even the one where it's mixed with raw, it's like 24 pounds for $90 or like $80, and I was like, I can't do that because he'll eat through that in 2 days. Anyways, the next thing I got was this bowl. Some of these things, so this bowl, the kitten litter box, and this grooming kit that you'll see in a moment, I got before we got the dog, so I got them over a year ago, before I knew about whisker fatigue. And this isn't, I think it's wide enough, but it's not elevated. It's just cute. So I'll have this for a little bit, but I will be getting him better bowls. Next thing I got, like I said, I bought a few years ago, is this Kitten grooming kit, and it's for long-haired cats, so it came with all of these. I've been looking at this breeder for over 2 years now, and I was really surprised when I sent in the application that I even got a message back, because I didn't the first time I sent in an application 2 years ago, and they just so happened to have a litter that was born, so lucky us. So he is going to be long hair. That's what I got. I didn't even really, I'm horrible at these. It comes with this, Jesus. It comes with this comb, this type of comb. I'm sure everyone knows what this type of comb is, right? The 𝕬𝕠𝕤 comes with this type of comb that does kind of have like pokey bristles, so be careful there. I think this is a shedding comb. So I'm gonna get in there, get them tangles and sheds. Not sure. I really don't know what this is. It might, looks like it cuts. It's, oh. It cuts somehow, some way. So, but I'm really not sure what it is. If someone does know, please leave it in the comments for me. And then these clippers for the nails. So we won't be, ow! We will not be declawing the kitten. We will probably get those cute little caps, or we will cut their nails, or his nails. I got him this kitty scratcher, like cat scratch stretching post with the little ball and the little balls. I got this one because it looks like it would match the cat tree we're going to get him, which is almost $300, and we don't have a platform to put it on yet. That will be another video. I got this kitty litter mat. Fun fact, this is my first cat, and I've never had a cat or known anyone personally that had cats. So I did not know, silly me, that litter tracking was like an issue, was like a thing, which is kind of silly when we think about it, because that seems obvious. It seems like an obvious issue that cat owners would deal with. Obviously, like a scoop. I don't have to explain that. One of these. It has like detachables, so it has one with feathers and one that's like a little foxtail sort of thing. But this with catnip on the inside. Woo. As with the food, I don't know why I keep looking up at my fucking viewfinder. I'm sorry. As with the food, I sat and watched YouTube videos about the best kitty litter and found this girl who did multiple tests, like tracking, odor, clumping, all that I wouldn't have really ever considered because I own dogs my whole life. So we got this kind, this Sustainably Yours. It's blurry. I'm sorry, it doesn't autofocus. And I got the large granules just simply because I felt like it wouldn't track as much. It might. Who knows? I don't. The litter box is literally just one of those gray bottom litter boxes that you'd get for maybe $5 at PetSmart. So this. Just one of these. Ooh. Right? No big deal. Can you excuse me? Pardon me, sir. Pardon me. I got this thing. It opens up into like a little kitten puppy mini playpen. It's a lot shorter and smaller than I did think. I thought I measured properly, but visual is always, what I imagine is always usually much larger than what things are. So it's quite small, but we're only going to really use it the first few nights and on Thanksgiving because it's November 16th today. We're getting him on the 18th, and then, you know, Thanksgiving we are going to Pahrump to see my aunts, and my husband said we should bring him, but my aunts have dogs, so I was like, we be talking shit about them when they bring their dogs to other houses, like, but that's neither here nor there. So this is for bedtime and when we go out. And then I have stuff inside of here. I got his carrying case. My kids say it looks like the bag from White Chicks that they had the little dog in. And I was like, it does look fancy. So I bought these over a year ago. They have like catnip in them, just a little coffee, a little Pop-Tart guy. Cool beans. I got his little collar. It has little moons and stars on it. It's got little moons and stars on it, as you can see. It's adorable. So, and then these things I think are super cute, and I was so excited for them. They're little sushi. They're little sushi toys with catnip in them, and I think they're just so cute. And when I had gotten the whole order, these are what I got. What are they, you ask? The felt alphabet in many colors, and they do smell like they have catnip in them. Ow, ow. My little charm is like connecting to my hair right here. They do smell like they have catnip in them. Like they have that smell, but the strange thing is when I went on to the website to see all of the options these come in, like these little, like the company makes them in this sushi kit, a little case of just like balls, colorful balls, tacos, or Pop-Tarts, no alphabet letters. So I'm not even really sure if this is a cat toy. And my mind immediately thought someone working in the factory is trying to kill animals by sending poison stuffed felt out. So will I be giving it to the cat? Probably not. I was going to send it back, but they want me to print out all this stuff and ship it up at the warehouse that we have here, and I'm not doing all that for their silly mistakes. So I just called and said that I ordered the sushi set and didn't get the sushi set, and the guy said no problem, we'll send the sushi set right now, and they resent it and it came the next day. So that is that. I will be taking this with those little toys and his collar to go pick him up Saturday at noon. I will be bringing you guys with me. So this is not the end of this video. This is just the end of this haul. Was it horrible? Everything I do is horrible because I am camera shy, and I also just wing everything I do. No rhyme or reason. So I'll see you guys Saturday to get the kitty. Today is the day we get the kitten. Did I already go get the kitten? Yes. I was so excited I forgot to record. So he's right here. Hold on. The no makeup. Anyways, this is my baby. This is our kitty. So we got a cat. So his name is Prometheus, and he is a Siberian. I keep looking at the little camera finder because he's so cute. Here, go play. There you go. Let me go let Cerberus in. Alright. And this here is Cerberus. I forgot to do his little introductory video when we got him as a puppy. He is an American bully, and he is the sweetest boy. He is the sweetest. So, yes. Yes, you are so sweet. You are handsome. Oh, so handsome, yes. The first, day and a half, Prometheus, back up! Back Cerberus! Prometheus was hissing at him because he just wants to go sniff and get in his face. But now he's a little better. Should I talk about Juju since you guys got to see Cerberus? I have a snake. He is a ball python. His name is Juju. I fed him a few days ago, I actually fed him when we got the cat because I had stopped at PetSmart. Okay, back. So this is Juju. He is a banana butter ball python. And I forgot what breeder I got him from. I got him a few years ago. He's about 5 or 6 now, actually, now that I think about it. And I'm trying to focus it. I kept seeing his picture, and his was just the best one. So he is a good boy. I have had him the longest out of, obviously, all 3 pets, and he's a good boy. He's always good when I do take him out, so I'm gonna go put him back. But anyways, that is all I have for this vlog video. I'm sorry it was horrible. Most of my vlogs probably will be until I get the hang of it. I will see you guys in the next one. Do I know what the next one is yet? Absolutely not. So, as always, hope you guys have a wonderful day. My pets say goodbye. Thank you. Bye.